But if you didn't know it, you should, because the decision you're about to make isn't just going to have a huge impact on California. It's going to reverberate around the nation. And quite frankly, meanwhile, for these Republican governors, it isn't about public health.
Excuse me? Excuse me. I'm coming through.
Children are required to be vaccinated against measles. But now, in the midst of this pandemic that has taken over 6 states for COVID-19 vaccines, and it's an outrage. It's an infringement on freedom.
Subscribe to a YouTube channel. Do it right now. Do it today. And all you have to do is click the big red subscribe button on the YouTube channel. Wow!